Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Let's meet with the new numbers. I have 2 eyes. I have 2 ears. I have 2 hands. I have 2 feet. Look at the picture, what the girls are doing. And let's count the beads in the bar. How many beads in the bar have been counted? Eyes, hands, feet. Tell me the numbers of eyes, hands, and feet. Dear kids, do you know how many eyes do you have? How many ears do you have? How many legs do you have? See you in the next lesson.